the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, July 27th. I'm James Spann. We are expecting to see a gradual increase in the number of scattered showers and storms around here through Friday. Let's check it out early this morning. Water vapor satellite view. That's a classic midsummer look, ridging here across the deep south. The ridge a little weaker, the heights a little lower, the air aloft a little colder, which means the instability should be a little greater. So again, we're expecting to see an uptick in the number of scattered storms in coming days. Still can't promise rain for everybody. 70s early this morning. We'll expect a high in the 87 to 90 degree range today. Many spots could hold in the upper 80s for a change, but the dew points are still very high. Up on the watch warning map, things relatively quiet around the nation early this morning. Heat advisories for parts of North Carolina and some of the adjacent states. We don't need them here. And again, our criteria for those is a heat index that's expected to reach 105. We don't expect that. Convective outlook for today. Marginal risks well to the northeast and northwest. Same thing tomorrow. And really the same thing on Friday, day 3. Certainly storms will be around here, but organized severe weather not expected. This is the rain for the next 5 days coming from the guys at WPC. This is valid through Monday morning, and this is suggesting some pretty heavy rain possible from the Mississippi Delta up into the mountains of West Virginia and the Atlantic coast around Chesapeake Bay. And in our state, you can see a rather tight gradient with the northwestern counties of the state getting maybe 3 inches of rain, and the amounts taper off down to light amounts for southeast Alabama. And that's probably valid if you're in the Shoals, Haleyville, Hamilton, places like that. Your rain might be a little higher than Birmingham and Tuscaloosa and Anniston. But again, I think everybody has a decent chance of getting 1 or 2 good downpours through Friday. The tropics in the Atlantic Basin, things are quiet. We do note a tropical wave about to come off the coast of Africa, but again, no sign of that developing because of the dry air. At some point, we'll probably start to see some action out there, but again, not in the short term. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock. And that kind of tells the story of 594 heat ring to the east around Savannah and one well to the west. And you can see that weakness in there. And that should open the door for a number of scattered showers and storms later today. Now, the HER, not very bullish. It's got just widely scattered storms at 5 o'clock. But again, I wouldn't be shocked if we saw a little more than that. And the HER has not been doing that well this summer. And tomorrow, again, moist, muggy, scattered showers and storms, maybe numerous at times. Both the NAM and the GFS keep us in the upper 80s. And the same thing on Friday. The NAM is at 89, the GFS at 88. And while the better chance of storms will likely come during the afternoon and evening hours, we can't rule out the chance of a late night or a morning shower. And for the weekend, the weather's just not going to change much. The categorical probabilities for precipitation running in the 40 and 50% bracket for any one point. Here's Sunday, and highs for the weekend will be around 90. Next week, evidence the ridge tries to get a little stronger. This is Monday, and there's Tuesday. Highs creeping back up in the 90s, and the showers and storms may be a little fewer in number. And this is Wednesday, and you can see the 594 heat ring a little north of here. And down below that, again, we'll have a chance of scattered showers and storms, but maybe widely spaced. And highs low, maybe mid-90s. But at the end of the forecast period, this is Friday, the 5th of August, kind of a trough digs in here, and if that's right, that opens the door for an increase in the number of showers and storms again. Number is off the GEFS ensemble. You can see upper 80s through Friday, then highs back mostly in the low 90s and lows mostly in the 70s on into the month of August. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.